Kiaco and I'm back with the video. So what's up, y'all? Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm not going to call it a makeup tutorial, but we are going to be testing out a product. But before we get into that, if you are new to my channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Just tap that button down below and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can see any videos that I post whenever I post them. And also, you guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at It's Kiaco, and then my business page is Artsy Key Collection. Speaking of Artsy Key Collection, if you guys are feeling these lovely earrings, these will be posted to the site as well, so you guys can check them out and purchase them. But anywho, let's get into this video. So it's Makiage Foundation, and I'm super excited. I'm nervous as well. Pretty much, they let you try it for 14 days. And I'm gonna, I didn't even show y'all what was in the box. I'm all taking stuff out. So this is how the box looks, and it also gives you a description of everything that I was about to say. They let you try the foundation for 14 days, and if you don't like it, you can return it. The thing that I was a little bit scared about is how they match your foundation. They do like a little quiz, of course, before you buy it. So before you drop it in your cart, you can take a quiz to see which foundation will match your skin. It's crazy because I took this quiz twice. Not once, but twice. Because the first foundation that they paired me with, like, she was too dark. I'm like, I'm not, like, it was like too dark. So I said, okay, let me try to take it again. I even had to ask my boyfriend. I was like, am I this color? Do I look like that? Because they're going to show you, like, on each slide, it's going to be like 20 slides of girls. And you get to pick, like, which one you look like. What's your undertone? What's this? What's that? So if you don't know and you're not sure, they're going to give you a lot of options to choose from. So after I did the second quiz, I was like, okay, we'll go with that one. So we're going to check it out and see today. I have on no product at all. I really only did my eyebrows and I put on some lashes. I don't know how to do eyeshadows, so we ain't do all that. Y'all already know. For my primer, I'm going to be using the Pretty Fresh primer. I brought this from Ulta. I love it, love it, love it. It feels so nice going on my skin. It's a hydrating primer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on real quick. And I'm gonna put this all over. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. Y'all, this is real cute and sophisticated. This is $44 or $47. But when you first buy it, you know it's always a trick. So when you first buy it, it's $5. I put this on there, I'm sorry. When you first buy it, they say they're gonna only charge you $5. And then if you decide that you like the product, then they'll charge you the full price of the $44 or the $47. But how they gonna get you is, they gonna charge you that $47 when you do that $5 transaction. They gonna take both of them out. They say they're gonna give you the money back. I didn't even check yet, but I'm gonna go check after this video. See, so this is how it looks, all fancy and stuff. This is real cute for $5, well, $47. It's real cute, y'all. Like, they put it in a nice little box, like it's a little perfume box or whatever. Like, shoot, it's supposed to be $100 and something. But it's a nice glass bottle. This is how it looks. And the color that I got is, oh honey, I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Flawless. I can't sing, so don't be talking about me. But anywho, it's a flawless base foundation. The color is 170. I don't know if that's the name of all the foundations. Maybe that's the name of all of them. But the color is 170. It has a pump top. Y'all, this real cute, honey. I was gonna send this back, but I might have to keep this. Y'all know my favorite foundation is matte. But we gonna try some more stuff because it's 2020. We gotta start trying new products. Y'all can't be sticking with these one little products because you might find something else that's better. But anywho, so let's get started. I put my primer on already. You gotta pump it up a little bit. Pump it up. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna put some on. Ooh, I'm making a mess. See, this is why I can't do stuff like this. I gotta be pumping stuff on y'all skin. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my brush. I don't even know if this is the right brush, so I'm not even gonna show y'all which brush this is, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. So I'm gonna dap it in. Oh, I think I put too much, y'all. Let me see now. Y'all, it's already covering up my stuff. Usually I have to use an orange corrector, but I ain't put nothing on. I wanted to see if it was gonna really do its dollar, but I don't want to mess up my lace. Oh, I didn't tell y'all about my hair. So if y'all feeling my hair, this is hair from Dula Hair. I will post the card up above so y'all can check out my video. I do have a video on this product, and I also want to shout out Chanel Brown. I used her lace glue. Her website is wait, I can't multitask. Her website is Roll Gold Pro. And yeah, so I have a video coming out shortly. It's dropping soon. I feel like I'm dropping a little mixtape, but but yeah, I got a video coming up soon, so y'all check it out. It shows you how I applied this lace, and yeah, it's beginner friendly. Ooh, y'all, look at this. Ooh, Tyra Banks, girl. Y'all be careful. Y'all can see the difference. Flawless. Ooh, honey. What's wrong with her? I woke up like this. Y'all, this thing look good. And it match too. What is up, girl? Be like, shoot, it's quarantine, but we finna go out tonight. We in the living room looking good, honey. I might have to keep this. I already asked for my return label, but I might have to cancel that because this look good. Y'all look. I'm gonna get a close up. Oh, y'all can see my hair. I need to get a wax. But yes. Ooh. Y'all. Do y'all see the difference? These are my dark circles from my stress. I'm trying to drink water all quarantine, but then I be looking for a drink because I can't take it sometimes. But we're gonna find something to cover that up. I saw a serum that I'm gonna try, but like you can see, you don't see nothing over here. Look over there. It's like Beverly Hills, the hood. Aventura, Carrot City. Anywho. Y'all, this look good. Let me do the other side, cause honey, we finna go out tonight. Even though we on lockdown, curfew started at 10. Y'all done made a mess. I don't know how y'all be pumping the skin and doing stuff. And it looks like you don't need a lot of product for this. So that's probably the best part. I didn't need a lot. I probably put too much. Like this, cause I can't do all that other stuff, y'all. I be learning how to do stuff. I thought I was the bomb.com until I started doing YouTube videos. If you learn, you don't know what the hell you doing sometimes. But yeah. I don't know. It kind of looks. Is it too light, y'all? If I go close, then it looks a little bit too light. But then when I back up, it's like, ooh. Real Housewives of Atlanta. I just need to ring on my finger and I need to move to Atlanta. Okay. Y'all, I went 0 to 100 real quick. What's up? What is up? Like, who? Y'all, this look good. I can't stop looking at myself. I know I'm probably looking at the camera, but hey. My lips look good too. I ain't even. Okay. So I'm gonna use the Pretty Fresh setting mist. Y'all, I'm not gonna do a whole face because this is not what this is supposed to be. This is not a makeup tutorial. If you want a makeup tutorial, I do have a makeup tutorial. You can go check it out. I will post the cards up above. Y'all, this cute. Shoot, I wish we had somewhere to go. This look really good. Like, I might have to keep this foundation. I don't know what's going on over here. It's probably the glue or something. But it's cute. Look. I will zoom in, but y'all gonna see my little mustache. I gotta get my lip wax from the Chinese people. But it's nice. It doesn't feel heavy. It covered up everything, and I didn't have to use the orange corrector. Like, it's worth it. It's worth the money. I like the fact that you get to try it out first. I think they only did that part just in case if your color don't match. That was really a really good marketing tip, because after the person sees how well it looks on your skin, it's like, well, hell, I ain't sending this back. This is not sponsored. Let me just say that, y'all. It's not sponsored. If you want me to wear your hair, or if you want me to do a video for you, feel free to look at my description below. My email is down there. I am doing free advertisement videos, all quarantine. Like, just check me out, hit me up. I got you, sis. We gonna make this happen. But this is not a sponsored video. I'm not popping yet. Like, I only got like 700 and something subscribers. Like, I'm trying to make it to 1,000. So once again, just hit that subscribe button. But yeah. So if you guys are feeling this, comment below and let me know what y'all think. Cause we about to go party. Even though we ain't got nowhere to go. That's all I have for today. Make sure you guys hit that like button and that subscribe button down below. And that bell button so you guys can see whatever videos I post. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at It's Kiacolecollab. I'm going to start posting more content, more cute little pictures and stuff. So y'all follow me and check out my business page. Once again, these lovely earrings came from there. My website is rtkey.com, or check out my Instagram, RTKey Collection. And that's all I have for today. You guys stay safe, wash your hands, and peace.